Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Brian James and this is DB Automotive. Now, what are we doing today? Well, it's not a car show guys, it's actually going to be a car run. So a few of the guys got together, I saw it on Facebook, and they're heading down to a car run in Rotorua, which is going to go through the east coast, I believe. Now, I can't actually, and I don't think I can join it for the full day, but I'll certainly try and do the run down to Rotorua. Now, the McGregor behind me is in need of a tune, so I don't know how long it's going to last. Hopefully it'll get me there and back. Guess we'll find out. But yeah, this should be a fun day, so yeah, why don't you join me and see if we can have some fun. Okay guys, well I hope you enjoyed that. So for me that was roughly 200 Ks, 100k each way, which was a good shakedown test for the McGregor. And yes, I do feel that there's some issues there. I'll be able to show you one of them, but it looks like its gearbox will need looking at. The rear seal looks like it's gone. There's suddenly a fair amount of oil in the floor pan on the passenger side. Other than that, it was a good run. I instead of using 91, I put in some 98 octane fuel, and it ran a whole lot better. So it may not need a tune as badly as what I thought it did. It may just have needed some proper fuel. Imagine that. But anyway, I decided because of the oil leak that I'd found that I didn't carry on doing the road trip in Rotorua. I got to Rotorua and then came home. So we still covered 200k, which was a whole lot of fun. We got to drive on some interesting roads, which I hope you enjoyed. And yeah, look, I'll just quickly show you that oil leak. Right. There we see it's a whole lot of oil. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed it. If you like what you saw, hit like and subscribe. If you don't, let me know. If you have any questions, let me know. Other than that, you guys have a great day. Okay, thanks very much for watching. Bye bye.